A 233-year glass ceiling was shattered today.
Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson officially sworn in as an associate judge on the U.S. Supreme Court. WGN's Jewel Hillary is here with the details. Jewel.
Well, Micah and Ray, coming up next term, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson will be part of the 9-member court slated to rule on big issues like affirmative action in education, state election law, and corporate regulations.
I am pleased to welcome Justice Jackson to the court and to our common calling.
On Thursday morning, with her husband, Dr. Patrick Jackson, by her side, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson became the first Black woman.
I, Ketanji Brown Jackson, do solemnly swear.
Sworn in as a United States Supreme Court Justice. The new justice first took the constitutional oath led by John Roberts, Chief Justice of the United States.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
Now that Justice Jackson is on board, the court's ideological balance isn't expected to change, but George Washington Law Dean Dana Bowen Matthew says Jackson will likely be influential among her colleagues.
She brings perspectives that had been missing. And I also expect that those perspectives are going to be influential on other members of the court.
Justice Jackson, a Harvard University law graduate, is taking the seat of now retired Justice Stephen Breyer, who she once worked for. Justice Breyer led Jackson, now the Supreme Court's 116th justice, as she took her judicial oath.
That I will administer justice.
That I will administer justice.
Without respect to persons.
Without respect to persons.
In a statement issued by the court, Justice Jackson says, quote, "With a full heart, I accept the solemn responsibility of supporting and defending the Constitution of the United States and administering justice without fear or favor, so help me God. I am truly grateful to be part of the promise of our great nation. I extend my sincerest thanks to all of my new colleagues for their warm and gracious welcome," end quote. 51-year-old Jackson, who has served as a federal judge since 2013, will join 3 other female justices. This marks the first time 4 women will serve together on the 9-member court. Justice Jackson's oath ceremony comes less than a week after the High Court voted to overturn Roe v. Wade.
I know she'll fight hard to preserve rights for people across the country, and I'm very pleased to see that she'll be a Supreme Court justice.
Now, Jackson can begin her work right away. However, aside from possible emergency appeals this summer, she will have time to get settled in until the fall when the court picks up hearing cases in October.
All right, Jewel, thank you very much. And the Supreme Court